Good Monday morning, everyone. It is Mindful Monday. So take a look and do the mindfulness exercise activity that's in Seesaw and be ready to share at 8:30. Today we will go into our breakout rooms for the gingerbread math activity. If your group has answered all the questions correctly, you will get a plain white sheet of paper and begin drawing your house and use the answers that you got as a group to draw what your house will look like. Make sure you're doing it very neatly, and afterwards take a picture of your house so that we can share it in our blog. For those of you who have not completed the gingerbread math activity with your group, do so with your group and start drawing after you get all of your answers. In literacy, we will do a read aloud and begin drafting an activity that will go with the story that we're going to read aloud today. I hope everyone has a great Monday, our last Monday of the year together, and I will see you guys at 8:30.